Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and happy Monday to all of you. Hope all of you had a great weekend with your family and friends. We are glad to have you back on Monday for another 5-day week. So let's go through some of the morning announcements. Today, for our morning announcements, just a reminder that we have early dismissal. That will be happening this Wednesday at 1:05. And then we do have a PTCO meeting happening this Tuesday on September 11th at 3 o'clock. And for September birthdays, let me just reach that and so I get the birthdays for today. And actually there is just one birthday for September 10th today, and that's Devin Davis. So happy birthday, Devin, to you. Hope you have a great day. Our lunch choices for today, we have crispy oven baked drumstick with roll, a barbecue rib sandwich, and sun butter and jelly, along with baked beans, fresh baby carrots, crispy romaine lettuce, apples, oranges, or diced peaches, and also milk. So that are choices for lunch today. For our pause, we're doing something different with pause for the next couple of weeks. So we have, last couple of weeks, we've kind of gone through different characteristics or examples for pause. Now we're going to do a role play situation with pause. So which students are going to have a real situation that they have in the classroom and kind of role play how they would solve the problems then using pause. So I'm going to start the video and we kind of watch what they do.
Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do something a little bit different for our pause for the next couple of weeks. We're going to do a role play situation, which some students are going to act out some things from pause, which is not going to just be one thing. It could be a couple different things. So today's role play involves 3 students who are supposed to be working like on a test or an assignment. Okay, boys and girls, you can see some examples here that they did. So you can definitely tell that there's a couple students who are talking during a test or an assignment that they shouldn't have been. And we do have a student who is trying to redirect them politely and showing them respect to do it. So obviously, if there is something happening in your classroom like this and you try to keep them quiet, the next thing you should probably do is raise your hand and maybe the teacher can help you out with it. So good job, boys and girls. Okay, guys, give them a thumbs up. You can do it, Jaden. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you.
So the next couple of weeks, what we'll do is we'll do exactly that. So we'll do some role play situations, which will take place like in classrooms or on the playground or in the hallways. So we will model different things that we know about pause and how that works in those environments. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. All right, at this time, please stand for the pledge.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So if you could please stand and put your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, great job with the pledge, boys and girls. So today is Monday, remember, it's the start of a new week, start of a new you, so let's have a great week. Let's make sure it's positive. Let's try out some different role play situations for pause. Remember, it's up to you. You make the choices. You make your day. Make it a good one.